Hello iPhone users, so if you have been invited to join a shared album, you see this notification on your phone right away, right? So for that to actually accept it, what you're going to do is, this is your iPhone, right? I can showing you from the starting, and you slide it down, or from there you can tap on invite accepted, or from the gallery option, you see in top it is written this person invited you to join live. The name of the album is live. You accept or decline, right? The email ID will also be mentioned, so you know from where it is coming. You tap there. If it is in the activity option of the albums. Now when you will check the shared album list, you're gonna get it there, right? So this is the shared one. In the shared it will come, right? And there are three videos, or sorry, photos here, and you can add it here because the owner has allowed you to add it. You can comment, and you can delete it, unsubscribe to it, and you can share the album to someone else as well, right? And yeah, this is how you accept the invitation of shared album. See you next video. I have explored more about shared album, so do check it. Ta-da.